Hi guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? For today, alamin po natin kung ano yung ating kapalaran. Char! Well, seriously guys, our video today is about the koi fish that they said it brings good luck to our lives. So, stay tuned guys at aalamin po natin kung talagang pampaswerte po ba talaga ang kois. Thanks for tuning in everyone. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Marami po sa atin talagang nagtataka kung bakit merong mga kois at para saan po talaga sila. So tonight guys, alamin po natin kung ano po ba talaga ang dala na swerte ng kois para sa ating life. According to their beliefs, fish and water elements both represents good fortune, prosperity, and abundance. Japanese people believe that the koi is a mystical fish that can bring fortune and good luck to any home. And according to their beliefs, it eliminates negativity. And of course, because of the beautiful design of the fish pen and the magical sounds of the water, can also relax and amaze you at the same time. So it's really good also for your health as a relaxing place to watch if you have a pond in your backyard. Or if you have also an aquarium in your home, it's very nice if you can have a koi as your pet, because it is just a very low maintenance, and as they said, kois can raise your property value.